Hello and welcome to Key Digital's 2016 booth here in Amsterdam at the ISE show. We've released some new extenders, and you see extenders are everywhere. Cat cabling is everywhere, and we have some amazing problem-solving, high-performance devices for you and our new lineup of extenders. They all end with the number 11, right? So what do I mean? Well, we have the X411 Pro K. X as extender, 411 Pro as professional, and K as 4K support, of course. The X411 POHK, so you could power it over HDBaseT. The transmit side gets the power supply, the receive side does not. And then we skip over here to our X611 Pro K TX. Now, the 611 is that full HDBaseT spec. Now, what is new about these extenders and why we're talking about the 11s versus the 400s and 600s that have been out for some time now? We actually added Hdcp 2.2 support, and to an already long list of features and benefits really to your installation there. Hdcp 2.2, and if you're familiar with the Key Digital HD Fix 22, the product that's really gotten us into so many installations and got us in good favor with a lot of companies because they had a problem and we solved it. The HD Fix 22 is actually built in to all of these extenders. So you've got your HDCP authentication up to 2.2, 2.x. You have your EDID control, so you could tell the source to output at 30 frames per second, and therefore you don't need that umbrella encryption of HDCP 2.2. You also have HDMI audio de-embedding on these products. So in fact, on your transmit unit, so your HDMI source will come in and you'll have an RCA for digital coaxial audio and a 3.5 millimeter for stereo analog. There's no DSP feature, so if you want 2-channel out, you have to come 2-channel in. And then finally with the 611, you gain an HDMI pass-through port on the underside, kind of difficult to see. You'll take our word for it though, I'm sure. An HDMI pass-through port which enables cascaded extensions. So we've actually done, the engineers at Key Digital will tell you, you could loop 6 of these things. So you could have digital signage and have your PC or signage player with a local monitor go over your HDBaseT to the receive. The receive feeds the next transmit, feeds the monitor, goes on to the next extension. You can do this up to 6 times at 1080p or 3 times at, 6 times 1080p, 3 times at 4K it is, yeah. You have also Ethernet control here. And one thing that's very uniquely Key Digital, we look all the way up at the top, this long range mode that we feature, which allows you to flip it on. You no longer support 4K, you get a maximum resolution of 1080p, but we go from 100 meters at 4K in standard mode to 150 meters at 1080p. So you're going to want to find out a lot more information about these devices. They're RS-232 controllable, and boy, I could just go on forever. You're going to go to keydigital.com though, and then you're going to give me a call if you have any questions. Thank you very much.